So as you can see, I have installed Avenger mirrors on my Honda CB350. The reason was obvious. The stock ones were not providing enough visibility to the rear. It was a pretty small. My shoulders were covering a pretty decent amount of the mirror space. So I tried with these. Are actually the Avenger street mirrors. The Avenger cruise mirrors are actually in chrome, so I wanted to have a matte black sort of mirrors. Didn't want to add much chrome to the bike. So the big question is, are they direct fit? Now what I felt is that they are direct fit, but yes and no, because there is some difference in the threading of the Avenger mirrors and the stock ones. The thread size is the same, but the thread direction is different. So for Avenger mirrors, the left hand mirror is the thread direction is on one side, and for the right hand side it's on the other direction, whereas on the Honda mirrors, both the mirrors have the thread direction towards the same size. Now how I was able to fit this is because Honda also have sort of a thread adapter or an extender which is fixed to the handle, and then the stock mirror is slotted into this extender or adapter. Now if you try to fix the Avenger mirrors, the right hand side mirror will go on top of this extender, whereas the left hand side mirror won't go in. If you remove the adapter, the left hand side mirror would go in, the right hand side won't. So what I had to do was that I had to use the stock thread extender or whatever it is called on this side, whereas on the other side I have directly fixed the mirror. See, I have directly fixed the mirror onto the handle. This thing was removed. So even then, surprisingly, there is no much height difference between these mirrors. Maybe if you can if you directly measure, the right hand side one is actually slightly sitting lower. The mirrors are working good. They provide better visibility than the stock ones. Maybe I will continue to use it and give you another update after using it for some more time. So if you know about this thread difference, I'm not expert in this, but I felt like this is the case. Please share more knowledge in the comment section below. Maybe I could have gotten a similar extender with different direction on the other side. So is this a problem with Honda, or I think it is, because the Avenger mirrors used to fit on all sorts of motorcycles. Not sure. Let me know, or let us all know in the comment section if you know more about this. So I hope you find this useful as always, and see you in the next one. Bye.